and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. Happy Fansells Friday, everybody. So I've got 3 paintings to share with you today from Fansells. Most of them tend to have come in the clear packaging now, rather than the little mini jiffy bags, so you couldn't tell what they were. But we'll start with the little one for today. So this one is a special diamond painting, and when I say little, it's still down as a 30 by 40 in size. However, it is only a partial and it is done with rhinestones. So the actual design area, if we go to this black box around the butterfly, is 35 by 25. So we do have a 25 border. They do seem to have given these DMC numbers. However, the numbers are like 17, 93 and 98. So I'm not sure if that's some sort of rhinestone number, but we actually have 3 colours for this one. This is your first, which is a pale yellow. Then we've got more of a deep orangey yellow. There's 2 bags of those. And then we have a black that to me is actually 310, not 93. So it must be their own sort of numbering system. But it just has 3 colours. But I thought this was a gorgeous, striking image. It's what caught my eye anyway. You do get a toolkit with a pair of tweezers. Not that I think you'd need them because the rhinestones are all the smaller ones. But I love this ornate detail on the other side and thought this would be a gorgeous, elegant butterfly to be framed. So that is painting number 1. The next smallest, which is number 2, is a bit more funky than elegant. Is probably the way I'd put this one. So this one is also down as a 30 by 40. However, this one is a full diamond, a full drill, as they call it. So you're placing diamonds everywhere. The diamond painting size for this one as well is 25 by 35, but I thought this was quite a fun landscape one. It has 23 different colours, and it is in round. This one, the symbols are nice and clear. You have some blockiness, but not too much blockiness, I would say. So you get some nice sections where you get to place a lot of the same colour, but then you get some bits where there's 3 or 4 colours making it up. These are your colours. You get a standard toolkit, by the way. But these are your colours. Gorgeous, vibrant. We've got some nice white, which is 3865, which is an off-white rather than a white. But then we have some gorgeous sort of muted, but also some bright colours mixed in there. So we've got a bright orange, but then we've got a more muted peachy orange. We've got some nice reds, blues. But yeah, I thought it was a very funky landscape, something a little bit different, a little bit of fun with your trees and your flowers and your fields that are blue. Is that supposed to be a river, maybe? I don't know. There's funness to it. And you've got your moon and your birds in the sky. So that is painting number 2. As I say, the symbols are really nice and clear. They use white on the dark colours and black on the light colours. But yeah, that's painting number 2. And number 3 is a bit bigger, and I think it's a square. I'm pretty sure it's a square. This is, again, it is a square. More of a subtle one. When I say bigger, it's a 40 by 40 in the whole size, but it actually looks quite a bit smaller to me. Yes, it's 33 by 33 in size, so it is quite a bit smaller. The symbols look clear. There is some white symbols on the dark colours, like this dark blue, which is 939, but then it uses black symbols on all these lighter ones. There is some blockiness in the flowers, but then there is quite a bit of confetti to give you that shading and colour. 21 colours that do come with DMC numbers. That's your image, your little small one, and I do think it looks like that. I thought this might be a nice bedroom print. Don't ask me why I like the pale blue in the bedroom, but I do. This actually comes with diamonds in packets, but then there is one in a bag. Oh. You get the same toolkit as the last one, but we have 3773 in a bag. However, we have others in packets. So we have your pale blue, your sort of whitish blue. It does have a little hint of blue. Browns, your dark blues. So that's your 823. Quite a few different shades. So then we've got some 312 as well as your 939 and 803 as well. So there's a few colours that you get quite a lot of. 927 helps with your paler blue to give that look to the flowers. And then we have some more tanny colours like 3064, 3863 and 3862 to make up your background. But most of that one has come in the little packets that you need to individually cut open. But there is in total 21 different colours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, maybe a bit more, are definitely on the blue tone of things. You have got a couple of colours in these white flowers. So we've got some 3865 and some 3770 mixed in with some 677, which is a pale green, to make up these flowers. And then of course you've got some green in there for the stems, as well as your background beige with a hint of green and all that jazz. So yeah, quite a nice painting, the fact that there's some blockiness and there's some that's not. A bit like this one. It's nice to break up the confetti, or when you've got confetti compared to when you've not. And then if you fancy a nice project that's potentially an evening or two, then a partial is a very good way to get that. But I will pop links to each of these down below in case they take your fancy. Very, very good pricing from Fansells. So do have a nosy down below. There is plenty more paintings for you to have a look from at as well. Who needs an excuse to go shopping? But thank you so much to Fansells for sending me these and for sponsoring today's video. And thank you so much to you guys for watching. And I'll speak to you all again soon.